Are you struggling to get your customers to leave you Google reviews so that you can actually start growing your repair shop? Because look, if you're trying to do that without an automated pipeline, you're bleeding money, wasting hours every single week. In this video, I'm going to show you how an automated pipeline works, and that frees you and your staff up to do what you do best, helping car owners in your market. Plus, I've got a free download for you, totally free. It's the ultimate auto shop owner's Google Reviews cheat sheet. And once you download that, you'll be able to plug that into your shop instantly. In that download, you're going to find out how to easily multiply the number of reviews you get using an automation that does all the heavy lifting for you. Number one, you'll discover how to use a simple automation that really just starts with a little QR code, just like this one. But that's the way you multiply the number of reviews you actually get. Number two, the simple steps we take to get your customers to actually leave great reviews. And number three, I'm going to show you how to monetize those reviews, because that doesn't cost you anything. But you're going to monetize those reviews and actually get more customers to leave you more reviews, help you sell more of your services. Hey, if we're just meeting, my name's Matthew. Most shop owners just call me the car count fixer. Now, you might not recognize me because for the last 2 decades, I've been working predominantly behind the scenes, helping independent auto repair shop owners just like you scale their repair shops to high 6, 7, and multiple 7-figure-a-year repair shops. And that means they don't chase car count, they don't beg customers for reviews, and they certainly don't plead with them to send their friends and associates as new customer referrals. So let's jump into this. The strategy that we started to deploy is the full circle feedback automation. Now, this starts with a simple QR code, but it's not just leave me a review. There's a couple of steps to this. Number one, we actually want to thank them for leaving a review because it means a lot to us, and we know that they have a choice to where they can spend their money. Number two is when we ask them to leave a review so that we can share that review with our staff because you feel it's important that your staff know what they're saying. Number three, we entice them with a feel-good giveaway where we tell customers that if they leave a review, then they're taken to a page to actually leave you a review. And hey, if you're wondering, this is the exact method that we deployed with auto shop clients to get hundreds of 5-star Google reviews when we launched this in February of this year. Now, as I record this, we're at the end of July, so it's been just about 5 months. And when I say hundreds of reviews, in some cases, I'm talking 5, 6, 7 reviews a week. But if you want to start implementing this yourself, I got a brand new cheat sheet, the ultimate auto shop owner's Google Reviews cheat sheet. And on that cheat sheet, you're going to discover 3 important facts. Number one, how to actually get more customer reviews, multiply the number of reviews you get, and do it all with an automation so that you're not standing around begging and hounding and pleading with customers to leave you reviews. Number two, you'll discover the simple strategy that we use to actually entice those customers to leave you reviews and help them through how to write a review, because there's 3 simple things that you can say to them that will actually get them to spew out reviews like you've never seen before. And number 3, I'm going to show you how to take those reviews and monetize them so that if you use them on your website, you're going to turn tire kickers into actual book jobs. Put them on the wall of your waiting room and you're going to build your own Hall of Fame. And your customers are actually going to want to leave you more reviews. And when they see those reviews, it's simple. It's going to be just, book the job. And all that's available right here at thecarcountfixer.com/reviews-cheat sheet. Or go ahead and click this QR code here and you'll be on your way. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Can't wait to see you on the download page. Take care. Talk soon. And oh, by the way, just in case, when you actually get this download, it takes a couple of minutes for our system to send you this cheat sheet. So don't go ahead and sign up and then, unsubscribe. You can if you want. I really don't care. But if you want the cheat sheet, just hang on for a minute and give us a minute to actually get it. Take care. I'm Matthew, the Car Account Fixer. Can't wait to see you on the other side. Talk soon.